want to add to your information. See, in fact, the project they just started by when Dr. Raman was the collector. But that was that time only we could able to complete about 50 to 60% of Vellore district.
Yes.
So the major thing he continued. The present collector, Mr. Shanmugam, he continued and he saw that the entire district got completed. So both of them they just gave a wonderful support for the project to complete for the entire district of the pre-parted Vellore. So that means now it is 3 districts: Tirupattur, Ranipet, and Vellore, if I am right.
Yes, it is right.
If I am right. So strictly speaking, statistically, we have covered 3 districts of the present nature, which was 1 district earlier. I am Dr. Subramanian. I do not know whether you remember me or not.
Yeah.
So it is really people, officers like you, because we had a wonderful project about 20-25 years back. So that was called Integrated Mission for Sustainable Development, wherein all the collectors we used to go and then give our scientific input. The similar way, when I came to you the first time, you are so much encouraging our team. So that is how the whole thing now it has just got, and I'm just hearing from our team entire Vellore district, as you rightly said. Now the 3 districts, all the 3 districts is getting completed. So the foundation stone you have just put it, and your follower also he has just given a full support. So we thank you very much. So like rather, of course, I was also there in the government service. So we know what are all the problems and the procedures and all. So in spite of that, you could just try to fill up the procedure as per the government. Also, you could just give the support to the NGOs like Art of Living and all. That's why you could just come up with the very successful project like this. So in fact, there are people from outside the state also for this webinar. People from Calcutta and some of the people from one person from UN also is one of the participants. So we are planning to just go back. Yeah, we are going to go pan India this thing. So your advice and other this thing, continuous support and your advice, we try to just have it from you. Thank you very much, sir.
I want to thank Mr. Chandrasekhar. He only brought this to my knowledge. Then only we have started this one. So I would like to place my heartful congratulations as well as thanks to Mr. Chandrasekhar. Not only that, Guruji is also supported. We once visited him in Bangalore. So he was very much impressed upon our involvement, and he was also blessing us. So due to which only it happened. It has happened. Not only that, because of that national award also we have got for the district. The Vellore district got a national award for two titles for the conservation of water and this project also. So these are all the lifetime achievement as a collector I can say here. So this project should be spread to all other districts also, wherever.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
To interrupt to here.
Go ahead.
So I request the participant to just make a big clap for Chandrasekhar. So this is the first time he just talked in English. For the benefit of the people, those who are not from Tamil Nadu, he just talked in English. This is the first presentation he has just given in English. I think people better than any scientist he has just covered. Kudos and congratulations.
Yes.
Yeah. So first of all, I want to just thank my team over here. In fact, it is the first of kinds of webinar we are just doing it. As you people were aware, there are a lot of hiccups in the initial stage. Our plan was initially, because when I went to Delhi, I had a talk with DST Water Resources Department, and I just asked them also, why not we just have a seminar wherein the scientists, execution engineers, plus the villages, all people we can just have a big seminar, so that the bridge between all these people, rather the gap between all these people can be bridged by this seminar. So this is what I just wanted. That's what it just started. But by the time this corona and all this thing, it just came. And secondly, when you know very well, when you just go for the seminar or the conference, minimum we need about 7 to 8 months. Sending the brochures or sending the information and then calling the people, as Ms. Bhaskar was just telling in his introductory remarks, we have to just keep the transportation plus accommodation. There are a lot of logistic involved. So we were just planning, okay, we'll just keep about 7 to 8 months and then we'll go for this program in a big way. So because of the corona, we couldn't do it. Then we were just thinking how to go about it. So all of a sudden, about a week back only, it is not much time, about a week back or maximum about 10 days back, my team, all our team people, those who were just talked in the initial stage, they were just telling, sir, why not we just do it in the webinar? Then I told, no, see, the thing is, our purpose was to bridge the gap between the field people and then government plus the technologists, technocrats. All those things we have to put them together. That was our main purpose. How are you going to do in the webinar? He said, sir, why not we just take it as an experiment and then do it? I said, okay, let's see. There will be some hiccups, but even then we should just try to attempt it like this. That is how the whole thing started. This effort, I can just say, it is only about 1 week or 10 days effort. So then we started just doing it all. And the beauty of this project, it is mainly what we are just doing is, it is a scientific base. So whatever the work we just do, if you just go to the government, because I worked in the government more than about 35 to 40 years, 35 years plus. So when we are in the government, we have a lot of procedures to do it. So we cannot just go against, like the collector, Vellore collector was just telling, I have to just do, even if I just want to take up some of the project, I have to go within the procedures only. So we have to follow the procedures, and also we have to do all the developmental work. So that is how we have to just take up this one. So that is the reason we thought, okay, we have to just have some money also for the implementation. For that, government is the right thing, because this type of work, private people, they cannot do it. Even if they just do it, it cannot be there in a vast area. It can be only for a smaller area. So that is how we thought, why not we just go under NREGA. So NREGA people, they were just giving lots of negative things also in many states. So people are not working, even they just work, the work is not properly monitored and all those things. So why not we just take the help of NGOs and try to do this work, but the work also should be scientific. Like the gentleman who is coming from Karur, he said, I do not know what type of scientific information he just got it to go for the borewell. So we have to have the scientific one. The scientific one, what we are just doing is, mainly we are using the satellite technology. Many of our scientists, like for example, the outside Tamil Nadu people, those who are participating now, they know very well. They got a very big project in Government of India called National Drinking Water Project, wherein we have just had enough scientific based data for the groundwater prospects. So we have just done one in the prospect. So the scientific information also, they got some limitation. So when we talk about the quantity aspect or the prospect aspect, we have got lot of scientific knowledge or the scientific means to find out the area where you have got a good potential. But whereas, like what Indumati madam was just telling regarding the quality aspect, when you talk about the groundwater quality, we have a lot of limitations with respect to the satellite technology or any other technology. We have to just go mainly on the field-oriented prospects only. So that is how we have to just have any project. If we just go, we should have the scientific base. So the scientific base only, the success of the project in Naganadi, we can just say we started with the plan. We just gone with the wonderful planning, scientific planning, and take all the scientific data and try to come out with the action plan. People just talk about the what is action plan, action plan, action plan. It is nothing but somebody was just mentioning about. It is also part of the artificial intelligence. It is there, and ICT is there, IoT is there. Everything is there. See, for example, in case of collector, he wants to know about the purpose of today. We are just seeing 4 areas where the work is going on. The collector can sit on the table and he can just see the progress, what is just going on over there, how many people are working today, what is the status, tomorrow what is the status, whether the well is already completed or not. So not only the satellite technology we have just used, we have used the internet technology also. For example, location, a particular location of the well, where is it and what are all its doing. So the entire Kundali or the entire horoscope of the particular water recharge structure, it is known to everybody. And secondly, the transparency. So this is how the government officials also like that idea. Plus the status of the work we can able to just see, and also the monitoring of that one. For example, the particular well, how it is behaving, whether because of the water harvesting structures, whether it has got some impact or not. So some of the impact analysis also we have just done it. So that's how we have just seen the entire circle of this thing. So how the whole thing it just started, how it is just behaving. Is there we have to just go for any intervening techniques or activities we have to just do and all. So everything it is just available. So that is how the whole thing it is just started with the pilot project of Naganadi. Now, as you know very well, the entire Vellore we have completed, and we are also going, like Chandrasekhar was just telling, another 4 or 5 states collectors they are interested. So we will just go like this one. But the purpose of having this webinar or any other thing what we are just going to do, it is like exchange of thoughts, like what Patankar was just telling, how we can just improve this technology. See, now the whole thing is what is just happening because of the, anyway, thanks to Corona also, because of that only we are able to meet all the people, right from field people to the top level up to the collector level. We are coming up to the same platform, which I'm sure they would not have done it. So like this, we can just have many. We can just exchange our thoughts. Say, for example, in case of Diplas, he is having some problem. In case of Maharashtra, they are having some problem. Rajasthan, if we just go, the problem will be just different. So the purpose of this one, in the sense, how the scientific information can be exchanged, like people like Anbalahan, they're all great professors, Professor Indumadi. So we should have my suggestion, or you can just say it is again for comments. When I just went to Delhi and all, we are actually the government is just planning. For example, when I just go some of the projects, some R&D projects, they want to just go on an applied aspect. It is not on the general aspect. So for a particular terrain, what is the problem? So the people should come with a problem. Like Biblas was just coming with problem, and somebody from Karur is just coming with a problem. So people should come with the problem. This is the problem for this terrain. So what are the remedy? What are the solution? We should have it. So the people, the places like the organization like IIT, like Periyar University, or all the technical people. I do not know whether Shukla is there or not, because he is from MP, Madhya Pradesh. So he is from RRL, Regional Research Laboratories. So like that, all the major scientific organization should focus on that problem, specific problem of that area. Then only we can just tell the field people to just say, okay, this is the particular problem, this is the particular solution, you go and do it. So the field people can understand the problem, then we can execute it. So the executor, the decision maker itself, they themselves will be just able to concentrate on that one. So it's not a general thing. We should be problem specific, and the solution you should attempt to it. So then only the whole thing, it will be a successful one. So that is the reason we thought everybody should sit together, try to exchange our views, try to just say whether it can, the same thing, it can be implementable to your area and all. So that is the sort of roadmap we should just go in future. So that's what I feel it is the right direction. So if we just work on that line, see, for example, when you just talk about the alluvium, people will not bother about the people of, for example, the hard rock area. They don't bother about the techniques of what is the alluvium, what you are going to do. They did not just bother. The similar way, the hard rock people, for example, if you just go to West Bengal, Assam, those area, they did not just bother about the hard rock area techniques. So, or if you just go to Rajasthan, the technique is totally just different. Or if you just go to hilly areas like Himachal Pradesh or Uttarakhand and all, that is totally different. So we have to just try to find out the problems and try to have the solution from some of the scientific organizations like IITs, universities, some of the leading colleges and all those things. Sit with the field people, try to find out what are all the applicable or amicable techniques on that one. Then do for some of the pilot project like what we have done it in Naganadi and all, it takes up or not, then come out with the final solution. So this is what I think we should lead, and in our next meet, we can just have some more people from other places also, and try to just see we can not only in Tamil Nadu or in 4 or 5 states we have just done. We have to just go like we talked about the OBA man, the US man, who is also interested in going for the Pan India. So how some of the financial assistance, because we cannot just have the full assistance from them. So some of the smaller assistance where we can just go over small pilot areas, we can show them the result so that people get convinced. Then we can just go for a larger area. So this is what I think we can just go, or we can keep it in our future roadmap and try to do something for the society. So I feel very happy. But one thing you should all just know, because since I work from ISRO, ISRO, we completely depend, rather our main strength is teamwork. So when you just have the team, a strong team is there, right from your field up to the top level, I think nobody can challenge us. So let us just do work on your team. Of course, Patankar and all, I know all the people, those who are there, because of you people, your strength only, we could able to complete the major national projects, which many people, they were just telling it is not possible. We could able to make it possible because of the teamwork. So let us all work on a team. So the teamwork will definitely make us very much successful. Thank you very much. And I thank you very much for my team. And if any hiccups and other this thing, it is there. It is our first attempt. You kindly excuse us for anything, any drawbacks. It has just come during our testing. Thank you very much.